Hey people, today's gonna be a double vlog because I didn't vlog yesterday and I want to vlog today. So yesterday I went to this workshop. I didn't really get to record any of the dances because I was dancing and I couldn't really record and dance at the same time. But videos should be up on YouTube. Subscribe to the director of the crew who is hosting the workshop. The crew is the Superheroes in Training, and my friend Nick is the director. Go subscribe to him. His channel is Reckless Lifestyle. He's pretty amazing, so yeah, go subscribe and all that other crap. And I think he might be uploading the videos from the workshop. Anyway, that's enough for yesterday. I was watching Ray William Johnson and Africana Boy and Kevin Edwards Jr. And they were talking about this girl who apparently got raped by some guy. And, well, no, she didn't get raped, but, I mean, because rape's not funny. Don't get me wrong, but apparently some guy tried to rape her. But it's like, that's not even what's funny. What's funny is her brother talking about the guy. I'm sorry. Basically. Okay, I'm sorry. So the news reporter is asking him, like, what happened, and this is what he says.
Well, obviously, we have a rapist in Lincoln Park. He's climbing in your windows. He's snatching your people up, trying to rape them. So y'all need to hide your kids, hide your wife, and hide your husband because they're raping everybody out here. You got your t-shirts and that fingerprints and all. You are so dumb. You are really dumb. For real. So you can run and tell that, homeboy.
Add on to that hilarity. I heard the best song in the world. Like, you know how they always do auto-tune remixes, and like some of them they were cool, like just like hide the keys. But no, I found the Bed Intruder song, and it is the bomb, yo. He's playing on the window, he's making your people walk, trying to break the window, hide the keys, hide the wife, hide the keys, hide the wife, hide the keys, hide the wife, and hide the other. Good thing right there, my child. You don't have to go, make the best. We're looking for you. We gon' find you. We gon' find you. You just run and tell that, run and tell that, run and tell that. Oh boy, oh boy. We got the t-shirts and that big person. Oh, you are so dumb. You are really dumb. Oh yeah. The man got away. We gon' find evidence. Out the way. Why don't you get in the time? So dumb. He's climbing up the window. He's your people walk. Trying to break the window. We got hide the kids, hide the wife, hide the kids, hide the wife, hide the kids, hide the wife, and hide the husband. Because they're raping everybody out here. You don't have to go and confess. We're looking for you. We gon' find you. We gon' find you. You just run and tell that, run and tell that, run and tell that. Oh boy.
You don't have to come and confess. We're looking for you. We gon' find you. We gon' find you. So you can run and tell that, run and tell that, run and tell that. Homeboy, homeboy.